Hi everyone, this is Jay from Cebu Breaks for Fun. We will be doing the box break number 025. Okay, wait. Let me check Facebook. Recording. Check. Okay, so this is for box break number 02. Wait. Advertisement. So these are the names. Cebu in Bay Cards Kobe for the Magic, Foam Card Cebu for the Celtics, Louis for the Pelicans, and JB for the Nets, then Myers for the Cavaliers, then Dejima for the Grizzlies, Otik for the Thunder, Wilhelm for the Dallas, Dejima for the Pistons, Kobe for the Clippers, then NBA Cards Trading for the Kings. Kings. Kings, the Myers for the T-Wolves, Daniel for the Spurs, Alan Ray for the Heat, Moy Moy for the Hawks, then Denji Kerf Otik for the Sixers, Jigs for the Pacers, then JPED for the Blazers, Mark Troy for the Bucks, Lorian for the Raptors, John Diaz for the Jazz, I am Karaan for the Bulls, Ariel for the Suns, Magalona Alvin for the Knicks, then Louis for the Wizards, King Mamba for the Lakers, I am Karaan for the Rockets, then Bos Myers for the Bobcats, then Gino for the Golden State Warriors, and lastly Jigs Brual for the Denver Nuggets. Okay, so let's start. Wait, let me check. Game, game na, boss. Start. Start with the Pinnacle. So, Pinnacle serial number is 3NB328328 game. So okay. Tas anak ko gamay. Okay. See you. One. One, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, four, five. Then empty. Empty. For the Pinnacle. Okay. So as requested before, we will use a scissor. Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay, so pack number one. Then this pack number one. Okay. First, Kyle Korver base, Derek Favors base, David West base, Kendrick Perkins base, Dwight base, John Lucas base, Drew Holiday base, Jason Terry bass, Eddie Jones, Eddie Jones bass, Russell Westbrook bass, Chris Anderson bass, Michael Finley bass, Terrence Ross bass, World Be Free bass, and Hakeem the Dream bass, David Robinson bass. Then for the first autographics is nice, Steve Kerr. This is the first autographics. Okay. Then we have decoy card. Decoy. Steve Kerr is that is not numbered for the Spurs. Wait, check. Then for the Bulls, Scottie Pippen, insert. Then Draymond Green, that insert. Then Kyrie Irving, insert. Then Scoring Kings, Julius Irving, insert. Then Team 2020, Kawhi Leonard, insert. Tony Mitchell base, Brandon Knight base, Sergi Karasev base, Damian Lillard base, Nerlens Noel base, Dirk base, Shane Larkin base, then Giannis blah 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 base. Okay. Okay. Pack number 1. So let's do pack number 2. Okay, empty. Wait for the base. The insert. Okay, so start. Al Jefferson base, Monta Ellis base, Thaddeus Young base, Mari Chalmers base, Kirk Heinrich base, DJ Agustin base, then Ersan Ilyasova base, Kyrie base, Walt Frazier base, Tobias Harris base, Spadway base, Jared Dudley base, Elgin Baylor base, Earl Clark base, then Larry Nance base, Kevin Love, K-Love base, then we have Chris Humphries for the Celtics, insert. Then Penny Hardaway, insert. Shane Larkin, insert. Then Scoring Kings, Moses Malone, insert. The Derrick Rose, insert. Then Team 2020, Blake Griffin, Phil Pressey base, then Luigi Latom base, Carl Landry base, Eric Maynor base, Gal Mikel base, Kostakofos base, AK-47 base. I will get a top loader. Okay. Okay, so photographics for Steve Kerr. Okay, his base, Steve Kerr. Okay, pack number 3. Number 3. Raymond Felton bass, and Vasquez bass, Bogut bass, Martian Brooks bass, JJ Hexon bass, Jimmy Butler bass, Nate Robinson bass, Eric Gordon bass, Joe Furlan bass, Dan Issel bass, Penny bass, Paul George bass, Scottie Pippen bass, Ryan Hollins bass, Ronnie Brewer bass, Mark Price bass. Then for the insert is Tim Duncan, Dan Issel, then Dirk Nowitzki, Carmelo, and Alex English, then Andre Drummond bass, Gorgol, Jamal Bennett, Manu Billups, Jeff Whitney, Shabazz, then Louis Williams for the bass. Then let me report. Wait. Okay, next Al Harford bass, JJ Redick bass, Jameer Nelson bass, Blake bass, Chris Humphries bass, Steve Blake, Isaiah Thomas bass, Jeremy Lin bass, Eric Bledsoe bass, Dominic Wilkins bass, Joe Johnson bass, Karl Malone bass, Nicholas Batum bass, and then Ewing bass, Iman Shumpert bass, Isaiah Thomas bass, Brandon Knight insert, Paul George insert, Giannis insert, then Kevin Love insert, then Jonas Biliason insert, Victor Oladipo bass, Andrew Nicholson bass, Andrew Robinson bass, John Wall bass, Johnny Snell bass, Reggie Bullock bass, Ray Allen bass, Alex Len bass, Rodney Stuckey bass. Okay, so next is their inserts. Next pack. Wait. Javal McGee bass, Nikola Vucevic bass, OG Mayo bass, MKG bass, Sean Marion bass, Lil Deng bass, then Amir Johnson bass, Kobe Bryant bass, CJ Miles bass, Rick Barry bass, George Morrison bass, Tony Parker bass, Bob Lanier bass, Anderson Varejao bass, John Stockton bass, Chris Bosh bass, then for the Bulls insert, Joakim Noah. Then Ronnie Brewer for the Houston, Zach Randolph for the Memphis, then Joakim Noah insert, then Nikola Vucevic insert, then Norris Cole insert, then Tony Rotten bass, Otto Porter bass, Ian Clark bass, Taj Gibson bass, Ant bass, Smith bass, Alec Burks bass, Tyson Prince bass. Okay. Then Thiago Splitter bass, Jordan Hamilton bass, Austin Rivers bass, John Hinson bass, Elton Brand bass, George Hill bass, Spencer Haas bass, Nicholas Cole, Derrick Rose, Christian Leitner bass, Nikola Vucevic, David Thompson bass, Matt Barnes bass, Shaquille O'Neal bass, then Magic Johnson bass, Kevin Garnett bass, then Hakeem the Dream insert. Then we have decoy card. Then insert is Ryan Anderson, Damian Lillard, um, insert. Jump Fest, insert. 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 Then Blake Griffin, insert. Uh, Nerlens Noel, insert. Emeka Okafor, base. Kentavious, base. Josh Smith, base. Eric Murphy, base. Davis, base. Jamal Franklin, base. Michael Dunleavy, base. And Vitor, base. Base cards. Wait. Next is 15 minutes naman. Open ko na lang. I will open all that box first. Okay. Third pack. Last of the three. Last pack. These are the inserts. Okay. Still looking for the second auto as well. Okay. Start. Ines Kanter, base. Andre Bagnani, base. Thunder Fields, base. Chris Paul, base. Iman Moore, Kent Bazemore, base. Gordon Hayward, base. Brandon, base. Nate Archibald, base. Andrew Bynum, base. Derek Williams, base. George Jenkins, base. Hibbert, base. Walton, base. Ryan Anderson, base. Peyton, base. Then for the next autographics is Eric Murphy for the Chicago Bulls. Second auto. Then Gary Payton, insert. Nerlens Noel, insert. Then Ines Kanter, insert. Then Dwight, insert. Rajon Rondo, insert. Then Luis Scola, base. Mike Conley, base. Goodwin, base. Ty Lawson, base. Ramon Sessions, base. Ray McCollum, base. Ricky Ledo, base. Evan Turner, base. Okay, so LaMarcus, base. Drummond, base. DeMar DeRozan, base. Sherwood, base. Rondo, base. Jay Crowder, base. Brewer, base. Victor Clubber, base. Zeller, base. Markieff Morris, base. Bird, Diaw, Chambers, Goran, Parsons, base. Yao Ming, base. Randy Foy, base. Then we have an insert. Ryan Hollins. Ben McLemore, insert. James Harden. Then LeBron James, insert. Then awaiting call. Vince Carter, insert. Then Draymond Green, base. Ben McLemore, Zach Randolph, Ryan Kelly, Will Bynum, Robert Marc Gasol, Dan Rice Jr. for the base. So these are the inserts. Then KD, base. James Green, base. Sacre, base. Leonard, base. Thompson, base. Jenkins, base. Then Sanders, base. Bass, base. Thompson, Tristan Thompson, base. Jason Williams, base. Zoe base, Lauren Williams base, The Worm base, Kemp base, Kevin Martin base, then Walt Frazier insert, Mark Price insert, Ryan Kelly, um, Artist Proof insert, KD insert, then Hakeem insert, then Ben McLemore insert, second and base, Jonas base, Tarek Evans base, Hill, Victor Oladipo base, Jared Solinger, Cody Zeller, and Samuel base. Okay, these are the inserts. Then Pablo Prigioni base, Will Barton base, Iggy base, Jonas Balicianos base, Amari base, Ricky Rubio base, George McCann base, Chris Copeland base, George Gervin base, Lance Stephenson base, Avery Bradley base, then we have Rudy Gay base, then Nate Thurman base, Lavoy Allen base, Rolando Blackman base, then for the Spurs, David Robinson insert. Then we have jersey of Danny Green for the Spurs again. So that is performers, Danny Green, not numbered. Then Kyrie insert, Will Bynum insert, Dan Issel insert, Ricky Rubio insert, Team 2020 Kyrie, then MCW base, Evan Fournier, Ibaka, Elias Harris, Paul Pierce, Mason Plumlee, Jeremy Lamb, Nate Walters base. Okay. So for the Pinnacle, these are the two autographics for the Spurs, Steve Kerr and Eric Murphy for the Bulls. Okay, so for the Elite, that is for the Elite is NB 31773846. Okay. Box break number 025. Steve Kerr. Okay, Elite basketball. Good luck, everyone. So this is two auto and two memorabilia. The pila ni cards. Okay. So one, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, last is 20, and then empty box. Okay. So open sana ako tanang pack for the Elite. Uy, nindot ang design sa card. Nice. No advertisement. For the autos is Force and Bulls. Kana po pop eh. Okay. Way guntingay. OA ra sad kaayo. Wali guntingay boss. Okay. Last four packs. I think the design for 2013-14 Elite is okay ra. Base card design is much better compared last year. Last pack. Okay. Game. Okay, game. Okay, so start. MKJ, MKG, base. Josh Smith, base. Decoy card. MCW, nice. That is number 2999. Grabe. MCW. Number 2999. That is 935 of 835 of 999. Nice. Okay, so Leon Waiters, base. Brandon Bass, base. Then Bynum, base. David Lee, base. Then another decoy card. Tony Parker, insert. Then Raymond Green, base. Martel Webster, base. Steve Nash, base. Tony Parker, base. Decoy card. Kevin McHale, that is number 2754 of 999. And Marcus Aldridge, Ben Gordon, Ryan Anderson, Jonas Valanciunas, then decoy card. Then Ricky Rubio, Elite Series, insert. Then Lavoy Allen, Kostakopoulos, John Salmons, then Omar Asik, base. Okay, next is decoy card. Otto Porter, that is number 2188 of 999. Channing Frye, and Al Farouk Aminu, Boris Diaw, Jeff Green, decoy card. For the Bulls is Jimmy Butler, franchise. Nikola Pikovic, then Dirk Favors, Zach Randolph, Jamal Crawford, and decoy card. Anthony Davis, insert. Shane Battier, Dirk, Tyson Chandler, Raymond, decoy. Passing the torch, front card, so Tim Duncan. Then back card is Marc Gasol, but this card will go to the front team, that is San Antonio Spurs. Then Danilo Gallinari, Spencer Hawes, Gerald Wallace, die-cut DJ Agustin for the first auto. That is for the Toronto Raptors. DJ Agustin, that is die-cut, turn of the century. Okay, then decoy card. Next is Manu Ginobili, insert. Then we have Anderson Barijao, base. Jamer Fredette, base. DeMar DeRozan, base. Jason, base. Decoy. Then this will be raffled. Paul George and Carmelo Anthony face to face. So this will be randomized 7 times for the Pacers and New York later in the break. So this will be randomized 7 times between the Pacers and New York Knicks. To be random. Then Jimmy Butler, base. Then Kenneth Farid, base. Thaddeus Young, base. Perkins, base. Then first memorabilia is Back to the Future. Chicago Bulls, John Salmons, not numbered. Also for to be raffled for the Bulls and the Wizards is Derrick Rose and John Wall. To be ruffled. Ruffle. Then Kobe, base. John Houston, base. Harden, base. Michael Beasley, base. Decoy. Then Ray Allen, insert. DeAndre Jordan and Aaron Brooks, base. Okay, next. Kimba Walker, base. Jabal McGee, base. Then Decoy card. Die cuts. Al Jefferson. That is number 275. 19 of 75. Die cut. Al Jefferson. Insert card. Blake Griffin, base. Ines Kanter, base. JJ Redick, base. Louis Williams, base. Decoy card. Then Elite Series Wilt Chamberlain, then Tony Rotten, Dwight, Eric Gordon, Dirk Williams, then Decoy card. Okay, so Elite Series Magic Johnson, insert. Drew Holiday, Avery Bradley, Iguodala, Robin Lopez. Then jersey. Oh no. Nice. Boom! Jersey auto of Tim Hardaway Jr. Nice for the New York Knicks. Tim Hardaway Jr. Is the second auto of the night for the Elite Series. Wait, I get a bigger uploader. So Tim Hardaway Jr. for the New York Knicks. That is 330 of 499. Calvin Murphy is number 299, 338. Then Steph Curry, Amir Johnson, Jordan Hill, then Josh McRoberts, then Decoy card. And passing the torch between the Thunder. So front card is Thunder, so this will go to the Thunder. Then the back is also from the Thunders. So that is Gary Payton passing the torch. Then Nick Young, Yesoba, Kirk Heinrich, John Weasley, Decoy. Then Paul Pierce, Rudy Gay, Eric Clark, Marcus Thornton, Paul Mishap, then Decoy. Then this will be ruffled between Spurs and Golden State Warriors. So it is Kawhi Leonard and Papa Clay. So this will be randomized 7 times. Then DeMarcus Cousins, Greg Monroe, Martian Brooks, Brandon Jennings. Then for the Heat, piste. Bati as a player, oy. Pero the patch for Jamal Mashburn. Threads, that is 19 of 25. So this will go to the Miami Heat. Dapat si sayang nga eh. Jamal Mashburn. That is the patch. 5 hits so far. Also is Daikat, Dirk Nowitzki. Nice. Number 2, 24 of 24. Dirk Nowitzki. This will go to the Dallas. Daikat. So last 2 cards is Chauncey Billups base, then Reggie Evans base. Inserts. Okay. Abinin mo si Ray Allen. Iska tayo abinin si LeBron James. Dapat LeBron James to kay so next break, last box, that is NB 31771 3922 3977 lucky 7. So pila ka book 7, so 4 7, so this must be a lucky box. So last break, last box for the break. Gonna 7 na to eh. But wait, Kobe pack. Wait, little pen. So Kobe anthology goes to, for the Lakers is King Mamba. Okay, so King Mamba. Date is 2/27/14. So Kobe pack, King Mamba. So 1 pack empty. Kobe. May tag mojo na niyo eh. Iskat ang mojo ganina. Okay, empty. Okay, so first card for the Denver Nuggets, Iguodala base. Next card, Ataya for the New Orleans, Eric Gordon base. Then for the Lakers, glass cleaners, Shaquille O'Neal is number 2, 65 of 99. of 99. Then for the Heat, unlimited potential is Norris Cole Auto. That is number 2, 87 of 199. But the Norris Cole for the Heat. Okay. Then next is balikan na nato. Grivis Vasquez base. Then for the Wizards, Nene base. For the Heat, Udonis Haslem. For the Heat, think na saan siya? Damage card. For the Heat, factory defect. This one. Gahi man siya. That is 18 of 199. Udonis Haslem. Okay, jersey. Then last is Peste. Markieff Morris Auto. Die cut for the Phoenix Suns. On card auto. That is number 2, 349, 307 of 349. Shit. Sayang ay. So this is Jay from Cebu Breaks for Fun. So thank you for your support. Continue support. Thank you for watching Cebu Breaks for Fun. Wait, raffle day. So this will be raffle day. Limit ko. So first is Indiana and New York Knicks. So randomize 7 times. Wait. Rundown.org. So Pacers, Indiana, and New York. Right. Two teams. Next is Spurs and Golden State. Then Bulls and Wizards. Okay, so randomize 7 times. This is for Indiana and New York. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number 1 spot will get the card. 6. Last is 7 times. So randomize 7 times. The card goes to New York. Then Spurs and Golden State. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 day, 6, last is 7. So card goes to Golden State. Then for the Chicago and Washington. Once, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, last is 7 times. So card goes to Chicago. Okay. Okay. For the album is so New York is 1 hit for New York Knicks. Then Heat 1 hit. And Bulls, Chicago Bulls. Then Spurs. Then Raptors. And Phoenix Suns. Okay, so wait, ako sa yung code. Magic, Celtics, hitless team, so Pelicans, Nets, Cavaliers, Grizzlies, Thunder, Pistons, Clippers, Kings, T-Wolves, Hawks, 76ers, Pacers, Blazers, Bucks, Jazz, Wizards, Lakers, Rockets, Bobcats, then Warriors, and Nuggets. Okay, so for the hitless teams, Magic, Celtics, Pelicans, Nets, Cavaliers, Grizzlies, Thunder, Pistons, Clippers, Kings, Wolves, uh, Hawks, Sixers, Pacers, Blazers, Bucks, Jazz, Wizards, Lakers, Rockets, Bobcats, Warriors, and Nuggets. So this will be randomized 7 times for the 4 pocket Ultra Pro album. 1 pocket, 4 pocket. So once, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Last is 7 times. So name on top is for the 76ers. So 4 pocket album will go to the Philadelphia 76ers. So okay, so this is Jay from Cebu Breaks for Fun. So thank you for your continued support and see you in the next breaks. Breaking out. Thank you for watching.